Welcome to my class. Lesson: sentences used in supermarket. Sentence is: the supermarket open early. The supermarket open early. The next sentence is: the supermarket is popular. The supermarket is popular. The next sentence is: the supermarket is very big. The supermarket is very big. The next sentence is: the supermarket sells many things. The supermarket sells many things. The next sentence is: there are many shelves in the supermarket. The next sentence is: the vegetables are very fresh. The vegetables are very fresh. The next sentence is: I see many colorful fruits. I see many colorful fruits. The next sentence is: I take a basket. I take a basket. The next sentence is: I take a shopping cart. I take a shopping cart. The next sentence is: I buy fruits and vegetables. I buy fruits and vegetables. The next sentence is: I buys meat and bread. I buys meat and bread. The next sentence is: I check the price before buying. I check the price before buying. The next sentence is: one chews some apples and bananas. The next sentence is: I put the food in the shopping cart. The next sentence is: the drinks are in the refrigerator. The next sentence is: we wait in line to pay. We wait in line to pay. The next sentence is: the cashier helps us pay for the food. The next sentence is: the staff puts the food in a bag. The next sentence is: the cashier gives us a receipt. The next sentence is: I enjoy shopping. I enjoy shopping.